Hello, thank you again for joining us at Home Entertainment. Today I'm going to show you a really cool product that we just received from Klipsch. These are the RF-7 Series 3. This is the new generation RF-7. It just recently came out. These are homemade speakers. They're made in the US, out of Hope, Arkansas. These are speakers that are designed, made in the US for the US market. These are very, very high quality speakers. Klipsch standard of build is so much better than most mass-produced speakers out there, therefore giving these a really nice fit and finish. So these speakers are pretty large speakers. I'm going to open them up now. I do want to remind you guys, these are heavy. They're 97 pounds total per speaker. So they do have a unique way of being opened. So you'll notice, straight off the bat, you have a little instruction manual and some warranty information. These speakers are, again, kind of unique because of their large size. Klipsch does recommend you pair them with certain models, and you'll find some really good information inside the owner's manual. So now that you have the box upside down, it's just a matter of lifting it out and taking the foam out. So here we have the RF-7. This speaker again is the RF-7 Series 3. So now that we have it the way it's supposed to be, it's just a matter of taking out the box and the foam and we're good to go. Here you'll notice this little cardboard box has the front grille. This new generation of RF-7 does also update the grille, and instead of having plastic pegs, now it's magnetic. It's also a shorter grille, so you'll notice that it's a little shorter than the previous version. So the RF-7 Series 3 is the Klipsch flagship speaker for their towers. These are pretty traditional with the look, with the Cerametallic woofer. These two dual 10-inch Cerametallic woofers are chambered in their own enclosure with a rear port, and the rear port is also a little unique. It does have a redesigned Tractrix port. Also new for the RF-7 Series 3 is the 1 3/4 inch titanium compression driver. This is a Tractrix horn-loaded compression driver with a really nice wide dispersion for those clean, clear front stages that you get from Klipsch. So the RF-7 Series 3, like its predecessor, also has the biampable capabilities. It does have the top and bottom post, and it does have also the binding tabs. So these tabs can be removed at any time, and you can install your top and bottom biampable amp on this speaker. This speaker has a capability of 250 watts with a peak power of 1,000 watts. So even if you have a really high-powered amplifier, you can drive this speaker and make them sound amazing. Also on this speaker, you'll notice that there's two chambers with two individual ports, and these are the new Tractrix ports that Klipsch designed for this speaker. Individually, they're enclosing each 10-inch woofer, providing a much more richer, deeper bass and a nice, clean, clear mid-range. Another very important feature of this beautiful RF-7 Series 3 is its finishes. This is the black ash, but it also comes in cherry and in walnut. Another important feature that the speaker comes with is its plinth. This is where the speaker stands on. It does protect the speaker. It does stand it up a little higher. It's optional. You don't need to install them, but in my opinion, it does look nice. So once open, you'll notice you have a total of 4 screws. the plank itself. And the plank is painted to match the color of the speaker with its beautiful black ash. So once the plank's out of the box, it's pretty easy to install. Just flip the speaker over and start screwing in the 4 screws that come with the kit. I went ahead and installed the other 3 off camera. So now it's as easy as flipping the speaker over and we're good to go. All right, now that we have the speakers out of the box, let's go ahead and set them up, and I'll show you how to do that in the next few seconds. Okay guys, down here we have the binding posts for the speaker. You're going to notice that there's 2 posts, top and bottom, and they're connected with a bridge. Now this bridge is pre-installed from the factory, and you don't need to take it off if you don't want to. Now this bridge does let you connect a single power amplifier into one of these posts, and it'll power up both top and bottom. Now removing this bridge, you can run separate amplifiers into each post and power up the speaker with more wattage. Now the next step is to plug in the speaker wires into the binding posts. There's 2 methods of doing this. The standard way is you unscrew these plastic covers and you run your speaker wire through a hole inside the post. Once you have the speaker wired through the hole, you tighten it up and you're good to go. So positive, positive, negative, negative, and that's it. The more professional way of doing it would be installing them with banana plugs. So here we have some 16 gauge wire with some banana plugs, and you'll notice that they're color coded, black and red. So black on black and red on red. And that's it. Now that we have the speakers out of the box and we have them properly connected, I want you to come visit us. We'll show you the speakers, we'll play them for you, let you listen to them, and let you be the judge.